Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber. We're fixing an error that I had with Ubuntu. So the version that we installed doesn't have the user in the sudoers file. So you can try whatever. Let's change to root. The password, this is very important, the password is the same. Okay. In this case. Okay. So now we need to all right. We need to add it here. We also need to do this. Wait a second. How is this called? This is sudo. Yeah. Okay. So what am I even doing? So okay. All right. So you see, it created a file as root. This test file. So that was the solution to that error. Yeah, I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna put it as a separate episode, I guess. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.